great way to get lots of free traffic is to create an ebook or get private label rights to a book and basically submit that book to any one of dozens of websites that give away free ebooks. And inside these books that you're going to submit, you're going to, of course, you could insert a link to your website. Now, you can make this only 5 pages long with a continue reading at this website link at the end of your book, or you can even write a long book with your website promoted on every page or on the footer. You can maybe offer the first chapter for free and then provide a link to download the remaining chapters that leads to your site. Now, let me just show you a few sites that offer free ebooks, and these are sites that you can submit your ebooks to. So the first one here is freeebooks.net. So that's spelled free and then dash ebooks.net. Another popular one is getfreeebooks.com, and another one is e-library.net. And of course, you can just go to Google and type in free ebook directories or something like that, and you will find dozens of sites that offer free ebooks, and you could contact them, or there should be a way to submit your free ebooks to those sites.